Hi Mickey class, we are going to do another science experiment today. And this science experiment is going to show us how capillary action works. Capillary action, can you say that? Capillary action. That is a very difficult science word. But let me tell you what it means. Did you ever think about how a tree's roots suck up water? Do they have a mouth that they can go? No. So if the water goes into the ground and it's down here, how does the root in the ground suck up the water? How does the water go up the root into the tree? That happens with capillary action. Capillary action is just a way to say how water moves. So we are going to do a very colorful experiment to see about capillary action. First thing we need to do is get 7 cups. It helps more if they are clear cups. It's easier to see inside, but I don't think very many of us have 7 clear cups. So I am using 7 paper cups, but it will still work because I will show the camera inside so we can see what's happening. So we're going to put them all in a line. What's the best way for you to see all of these cups? Like this. And I have some food coloring here, you'll see why. We're going to put water in some of the cups. So let's count our cups. We have number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're going to put water, not to the top, but enough water so that we can say the cup is maybe full. We're going to put water in cup number 1, 3, 5, and 7, the odd numbers. So 2, 4, 6 are not going to have any water. So let's do that. It doesn't matter if your water is cold or hot. I'm just using normal temperature water. And we're going to take our food coloring. We need yellow, red, and blue. Okay? So we're going to take our red food coloring. We're going to put it in glass 1, cup 1, and cup 7. 5 to 10 drops. Remember, it comes out very fast. So I'm going to put maybe 7 drops in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? Now we're going to put some yellow food coloring in glass 3. 7 drops too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we're going to put some blue food coloring in cup number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I'm going to mix them all up just to make sure that food coloring is nice and in there. But we don't want to get any color between the cups. So I'll do maybe yellow now. And blue. Okay, so now you can see inside all of the cups. You can see what color they are. Part of doing science experiments is called a hypothesis. A hypothesis is when you guess what is going to happen, when you think what is going to happen. So, right now we have red, yellow, blue cups. What do you think is going to go in the even number cups in between them? I will tell you. We're actually going to make it a rainbow. And we're going to make it a rainbow because what colors are going to come in between here and here and here? We're going to mix these colors here and mix these colors here and mix these colors here, but we are not even going to pick up the cup to do it. I'm not even going to pick up the cup and put some water in. We're going to get the water out of here and in here without even touching the cup. But what colors do you think these cups will be? Do you think they will stay white? What do you think will happen if we mix red and yellow? Okay, that's a good hypothesis. What do you think will happen if we mix yellow and blue? Another very good hypothesis. And what about blue and red? Okay, it's a good guess. Now here's the most important part. This is how we're going to make the water move. We need some of this. This is called kitchen towel or paper towel. And this is how we're going to make the water move. We're going to take one square and we'll fold it up a little bit. Fold it up. Maybe like this. Then we're going to fold it in half. And we're going to put it between the cups so that it goes into the water in one cup. No, I'm gonna fold it a little more, just so it's easier. So we want it to look like this. And we're going to put it in, make sure it's touching the water in one cup and then the other cup. And we're gonna see what happens. And we're going to do this between all of the cups. Tell me when you start to see something happening. Do you see anything happening? Maybe not yet. Keep waiting. Okay, do you see any water starting to move? Does your hypothesis change a little bit? Let's keep watching and see if anything new happens. I'm going to move the camera so we can see even better into the cups. So this experiment needs you to be a little bit patient. Actually, this video you're watching right now is 20 times faster than it really was. So, if you want to see the changes in this experiment, then you'll probably need to wait for maybe 1 hour, maybe a little bit more, so you can go walk away and do something else and then see what the change is like when you come back. Or you can just sit there and watch it, because as you can see, there's always something happening. There's always some change happening. So we're going to just watch for another minute or two and just see if we can see what is happening. Is the water moving? Is it walking up the paper towel? We'll just have to see. You can wait for as long as you want to see the colors change. I've had it for maybe 45 minutes, and we're going to take a look and see what happened. Does it look like a rainbow? I think it does. So, if we waited more, then these middle colors, they would fill up even more. You can do that when you try this yourself. But I think this is good just for us to see what happens. So what colors do you get when you mix red and yellow? Orange. And what colors do you get when you mix yellow and blue? Green. And this one's actually really dark to see, but when you mix blue and red, you get purple. This is how colors work and art works and rainbows. Now, let's talk about why this happened. So why did this happen? How did all of these colors move? How did the water go up the paper towel, right? Well, water is actually in every little thing. We talked about matter, we've talked about solids, liquids, gas. Water has molecules. Molecules are these tiny, tiny, tiny little pieces of water, kind of like germs. They're that small. And they stick together, and that's what water is. And now when you have a paper towel, there's these tiny, tiny, tiny holes in the paper towel. So the water will stick together and climb up. So you have one molecule and one molecule, and it will start to climb like this to get to the next cup. That's really cool, and that is capillary action. So that is how plants drink their water. And this is used in a lot of things, right? Anything that has little small holes that these molecules can fit in these holes, they can climb up. So paper towels and roots and anything. That's kind of what's happening if you ever see water moving. Maybe that's why. So that is really cool. This was a really fun experiment. I hope you can try it. If you try it yourself, let me know how it goes. Thank you for watching this video. I do have one piece of good news and one piece of bad news for you, okay? So I am only going to start making 3 Teacher ChrisTube videos every week because right now I'm making 5. I'm making one every school day. But now here's the good news. We have so many Teacher ChrisTube videos that you can go back and watch again whatever ones you want. So we don't need as many new ones anymore, right? And now I have a doggy to take care of. So I'm going to make 3 new ones every week. I have many, many ideas for this. There are so many things that I told some of you that I'll do that are still coming, so don't worry. But yeah, so 3 videos every week, and you can go back and watch any of the other ones now. There's been some really interesting ones, huh? So you can go see those, and you can still look for new ones coming. But thank you for watching this video, this really fun science experiment. And I will see you soon. Bye-bye.